Rebecca, it being a Friday, you have an invention and an innovation for us.
Yes, if you've got a toddler and you like to give him or her juice and water while out and about, today's innovation is for you. It's 2 bottles and 2 spouts in one. It's called the 2 Drinks Cooler Sports Bottle by the baby products company Brother Max, and we can find out more from its founder, Jonathan Gold. Thanks for coming in, Jonathan. Can you describe your bottle for us, first of all?
Well, as you quite rightly say, it's got 2 parts to it, an inner bottle and an outer bottle, and then a very simple lid that goes over the whole lot, and you have 2 spouts, one that accesses the inner bottle, one that accesses the outer bottle.
And obviously you can't hold as much liquid in each bottle as you would in just a sole bottle. But I mean, does each one hold enough for a baby or a toddler to have in a day?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, one of the myths is you want this uber huge bottle, and actually what you then find is you just can't pick it up. So yes, it holds the standard 340 ml, about 2/3 in the outer bottle and 1/3 on the inner bottle.
And the idea is that obviously you'd put juice in one and water in the other. Any other ways you could use it?
Well, vodka and Red Bull is one.
I suggested that there could be a drink for the baby and a drink for the grown-up.
Yes, because you want to mix your cocktails right at the last minute, obviously.
Just, but, I'm sure it's flexible for all kinds of purposes.
Well, absolutely. But of course, as you know, Rebecca, having a 2-year-old yourself, little ones only really want to drink juice. And as parents, we know that really they've got to have water and water-based drinks. So this enables you to have juice in one and water in the other, and a little bit of bribery goes a long way.
And if you want a very cold drink?
Well, and lovely other feature with it is that you can actually take the inner bottle, put it into the freezer before you go out. There's a special cap that goes over the top of that, and when you're ready to go out, take the inner bottle out of the freezer, put it inside. It will keep the outer drink cold, and once it's thawed, you've then got yourself a second drink.
You've actually invented something that I wanted to invent, which is a bottle with 2 spouts, because I hate the kind of germ transference between my kids.
Yeah.
So basically they could just have 1 spout each and not spread
Absolutely.
germs.
And being Brother Max, we like to design products that grow with your family. And just last night, my 10-year-old and 7-year-old went to Troy Kwando with this product, and they had 1 drink in each, and they knew that one would drink from the inner spout, one from the outer spout, and keep the germs between them, basically.
Is there a better spout to have? Would you be inner bottle or outer bottle?
I think it all depends on who drunk from it before you, Simon.
Yeah, I suppose. I think I'd like to be in touch with my inner bottle more than my outer bottle.
I think you need to be more in touch with the inner bottle.
Is that right?
Actually,
Yeah,
yes,
probably.
in my opinion. Once you had the idea for it, I mean, what gave you the idea, and was it a challenge to make this thing?
Yeah, because first of all, it's got to look enticing. It's very easy to engineer these kind of products that they just look horrible. But also, as you quite rightly said, how much liquid you can actually get inside is key. And actually, initially, it was coming out very, very big and very, very expensive. So it took about a year to develop. And although it looks one of those products that's really simple, it was pretty challenging. But I'm really delighted with the outcome.
How much is it?
It retails for $5.99.
And it's going in the shops next week?
Yes, in fact, as we speak, the first consignment is at the docks at Ipswich and at Felixstowe, should I say, and they're going into Mothercare on Friday.
And you actually came on this show 2 years ago to talk to part-time Pauline, who was filling in for me, about your 3-in-1 digital thermometer.
That's
and things
right.
have just gone crazy since then.
I'm delighted to say that the Brother Max One Touch 3-in-1 digital thermometer is now the UK's number 2 selling thermometer.
Well,
so
it sounds
thank you, Simon.
The danger of
Mission's
sounding
in the
like we're
post.
kind of worshipping your company. Too much.
Is it not a sport? It's not a sports thermometer then, because if you had the word sports in front of it, it makes it sound a lot more cool.
I'm afraid not. But it's One Touch.
Okay.
We haven't got time to mention this other product. I'm sorry, you've had far too much publicity for your company. There's a nightlight sitting on the table, which I'm not going to talk about. But people can just go to big shops and get this bottle if they want
That's right,
one.
and go to brothermax.com for stockists.
Great. Thank you very much, Jonathan Gold.